Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today's video, I'm cleaning my living room and giving it a new look. I'll be sharing how you keep your floor tiles looking brand new, year in, year out. But right now, I'm cleaning my sofa using a multi-purpose foam cleaner. It has helped me keep it looking like this, I think for 5 years now. It's like having a dirty shoe. You clean it and then you polish it with shoe polish. That's how this multi-purpose foam cleaner works on this sofa. You must always beat up or pull up your cushions to keep them structured. You know fiber shrinks with time, so once in a while, open it up and just pull that fiber up from the corners to give that cushion more level. I had forgotten one cushion from where I keep them and I didn't even realize until later, but you will see it in the video. TV stand has a glass top, so I'm going to use sufficient glass cleaner, and the down part is wood. I will use pledge. It has a lot of dust, so I'm going to dust it all out. For you to have your tiles looking shiny year in, year out, never mop using just plain water. Add something to it. Some people use bleach. I, for one, I use Dure floor tile cleaner, but never use soap. It's bound to cause accidents, and it keeps taking off that outer layer. I added a disinfectant to the water because the kids had flu, so I needed to kill those tiny little germs on the floor. You can also use warm water. Do not use hot water. Otherwise, you will end up damaging the floor. Use warm water. It kills the germs, removes stain, grease, and the dirt build up faster than the cold water, thus leaving you with a clean and shiny floor. Please tell me what you think of this look. Drop me a yellow emoji if you like it, and drop me a none emoji if you don't like it. I got all the cushion covers from KNALZ Interiors. It's Eagle Plaza. We'll leave all the details in the description box. So you see, after all, you don't have to buy new cushions. You just need to change the cushion covers. I hope this video motivates you to clean up whatever you have been putting on hold. And if you happen to enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.